So ayan nga guys, pauwi na ako ng Valenzuela. So 2 ways yung ginawa ko kasi hindi naman ako papasukin, no? Sa may KLRD just because kind of. And of course, thank you so much to my all new subscribers and followers and friends. Thank you for supporting my channel. Love you all guys. And then of course, pauwi na ako and then may binisita akong kaibigan dito. And then, yung tito ko pala namatay na. So I'm so sorry guys. So umuwi na ako kasi may pasok ako bukas and then tomorrow. And then by Tuesday, babalik ako dito na Maynila. For another, andito na kasi siya sa, buburo siya sa Maynila, by Tuesday. So, ayun. Thank you. And then, of course, guys, before that, I want you to subscribe my channel and follow me in my Facebook account. Thank you, guys. So, minto yung ulan. 2 ways yung then of course so Manila is very clean na, hindi na katulad ng dati, puro nila, puro something or whatever. So ngayon is malinis na siya, hindi na masyado matraffic, kaso lang I don't know. Thank you guys for coming and then supporting my short and long form videos. Thank you so much guys. Andito pala yung nag-aaral yung pamangkin ko, Adamson. So, ayan pala yung school niya. So malayo din pala yung school ng pamangkin ko. Ayan, Adamson. So that's it for now guys. I'm going to update later guys about what I'm doing about today or what.